Hi there, welcome to DevAlpha. Our bot to scrap data from free.com is now ready. In this video, I will show you how to scrap data from free.com using our bot. You will receive a zip file from me. After extracting, you just need to open this application file. And here you need to put your URLs like collection URL. So I have some URLs today. These are the URLs. For example, I want to scrap data from this listing. So just paste here and click start button. Okay, data is now been scrapping. You can pause from here and resume it. You can also count the number of rows from here. And you can also choose your own theme of your own choice, like this. You can also export data from here. Click export button, and if you want to change output location, you can change from here. And you can also choose your output format from here. And if you want to open file after exporting, just check it and click export button. Okay, our file is now ready for use. So this is our bot. If you have any questions, let me know, then I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.